It's time to level up. If you're a real estate agent and you're not using the power of YouTube, what are you waiting for? Video can help you connect with people in such a powerful way. If you don't know who I am, I'm Deborah Taylor, a licensed Tennessee agent servicing the greater Memphis region. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you why YouTube and the power of video is so important for lead generation. For one, video can not only demonstrate your value, but it gives your audience a face to connect with. Now, I know you enjoy posting quotes and those cute poses, but it's nothing like talking to your audience. And if I could get $5 for every real estate agent in my company who doesn't use video, I could go and buy some rental property. So why video? Well, video allows you to speak to your audience as opposed to just writing or typing a post out. Video can help you connect with your audience and share local data, because we all know the numbers don't lie. Video draws in your tribe, and sometimes within your tribe are your leads. I never will forget the time when I was told, nobody's gonna give you any leads. I didn't ask for any leads. I asked for help. Video can help you promote your listings, and it can draw buyers to you. Because we all know that when people are looking to buy a home, they first start on the internet. Wouldn't it be awesome if your name popped up? What if they watched all the videos you uploaded? Video allows them to see your personality, to see if they like working with you. Because buyers and sellers do have choices. Video can help you build an evergreen library. I can go back and look at some of my videos and think, wow, did I say that? I can also look at ways and how I can improve. But what I found so fascinating is when I first started going on YouTube and creating content on a consistent basis, people were contacting me and I was getting leads. Now, granted, when you first get on, don't expect people to flock to your video. Don't get discouraged. Keep going. Be consistent. If one person watches your video, that's one more person than you could have done by posting an Instagram or Facebook post. And recently, since I became a certified probate specialist, I can talk to a whole nother audience that I wouldn't be able to talk to by just sharing a post. So if you're looking to get onto YouTube, let me give you some tips to keep you going. Find things that's going to motivate you. YouTube is not a post and ghost game. Keep going, keep posting, be consistent. Find you a schedule that works for you and be consistent. I know when I lost my mom, I stopped uploading videos as much because it was just too much. There was a lot of things that needed to be done during that time. But I'm grateful that I can look back now and see the reward of posting on YouTube. You see, consistency is so important. Be consistent in everything you do and you will see a reward. Because I'm not a person that's going to knock on your door or call you on your phone. So why couldn't I just reach you through YouTube? If you like information like this, be sure to like, subscribe, turn on your notification. And if you want to connect with me, I posted my email address in the link below. So until next time, y'all, now get on YouTube.